Yeah, I'm coming to get you.
Hey, they're in the gazebos.
I know. Just take my hand.
Get in over here and get some guys up. Force multiply. Get in and get some guys up, Chris.
We'll heal these guys, and you guys want to hit behind.
Okay. Gazebo.
We'll just go all the way around.
Oh, Chris is playing over? Alright, let's go get these guys up. Alright.
We're doing really fucking good. Yeah.
I hit one of the fuckers. I think I hit the actual gunner. Yeah, there's like, they're just sitting in the gazebos trying to defend them right now. So if we can flank them.
I think we should go all the way around.
Yeah, oh yeah, I agree.
They won't see us coming from behind.
We need to get a few guys here to keep putting a base of fire on those so they get distracted.
Yeah, this group, do you just want to sit here and keep firing at the
Fire on
gazebos?
We're going to flank them.
We're going to go all the way around. So just...
Anyone have smoke and pop it distracted?
I'm going to take smoke with me to pop our approach from the flank.
Alright, go ahead and pop smoke when you're over there.
Okay, yeah.
Just keep putting fire on them. We need you to distract them. Good?
We knocked out this group. We got more in front of us.
Joey, there's a small group. They're going to put fire on the gazebos, give us time to flank around.
Yeah, we're going around and we're going to pop smoke so that they know we're coming.
Alright. Everybody stands up and rushes at once. A linear
yeah.
sweep.
After we
sweep it.
let them know.
So we all just stand up and just fucking go.
Joey, here. Case on, take one. I got you. You got smoke?
Oh no.
I got some too.
I got two. Hey, you guys are gonna be the furthest right.
Okay.
Alright. Cut in. Cut left, right? Are they in here?
No, they're just all over in the fire base. I don't know if there's anybody back here this far.
Straight ahead.
This area is clear. You guys wait here. I'm gonna go through here and try to hit all the way around to the right. Or if one of you wants to come with me, because there's some guys here too. And we're gonna pop some smoke so that they know we're coming. Take them out now. Let's go. I'm reloading. Oh, you got him. You're hit? Nope. Hey, right in front of us. Hey, right in front of me.
You good? No, that dude on the far right is ours.
Is he?
Oh, you good? Mash!
This guy right in front of us, though. You hear him moving?
Okay. Dude, yo! Seriously? Yo, you good? Alright.
Damn.
Nice try. Yo, are you on our team?
I don't know.
Who you with?
What's your code sign? What's the first part?
I don't know. I never got one.
Oh, okay. So you're definitely not part of our team.
Let's just get him.
We're legit about it. Alright, scoop him up. Tell him our code sign. Yo, Joey!
Okay, we're mashed dinner.
Mash dinner?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mash! You good? Yo, we got like 3 back there. Yeah.
Are you with these guys over here?
I think so. We're not completely certain. We think so. We kind of surrounded this whole base right here.
Okay, where did you originally come from? Over there?
The town.
Did you come from over there?
No.
Okay, then you're not on the team.
We moved around though. We split up into 2 teams and then one went this way and the other went the other way. You're good though. We're mash! Who's still shooting at us? Right here? Up, hit! Hey, are you mash? Okay.
Alright. Yo, push. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yo! Go,
Get him.
Keep going.
Go down.
Hey.
Pick him up.
You took these guys.
Get down.
He caught it. One more. One more after that. Hey, watch your fire.
Friend me!
Check 5.
I appreciate it.
All right, that's all hurts by shooting here a second ago. Move it up, fast. Move it up.
Yo, Nick, is that you?
Yes.
Oh, you're with me now. Alright, damn, we gotta go, Nick, and so fun.
Did we even make it for a name?
Huh?
Did we even make it for a name?
No,
You're good.
Do that hand signal thing, but that's your mass dinner now.
Mass dinner?
Mass dinner.
Come on, we need more guys. We need more bodies to heal. Let's go. There's like 3 back there.
Where?
Way in the back.
I need healing. All right, pull security if you aren't healing. Pull security.
Roger. Give me 2 up front.
I got you.
We got 2 more still down over here. That's it.
I want one confirmed.
Get play for the rear. Push out to the right.
Yeah, no.
Back where we came from.
Are you good, Paul?
Want to go this way? Hey, who's this guy?
Dinner!
Yeah, we're all friendlies here.
Yeah, move up. Dinner!
Move it up. Good. Hey. We got enough guys to push the back towards town.
Do you want to just go and hit the town?
See what's up there. We need to do some recon at least. Send a few guys to see what they see.
Hey guys, we're going back to the main road. I want about 10 people on the left side, 10 on the right.
I'm going left.
Goes up the main.
I got left.
Left.
Who's coming with me? Hey, we're going left. Who's coming? Okay.
10 on the left, 10 on the right.
And then the rest up the middle. We'll move in through here.
10 on the right and flank